Hi everybody, today I will be talking about Microsoft Excel's formula auditing tools. These tools are used to display the relationship between formulas and cells. I've already got a spreadsheet up, so we'll just get started. At the top along the tabs, we will select the Formula tab. Once in this tab, towards the right you can see the formula auditing tools. First, we're going to start with the Trace Precedence tool. This tool is able to show which cells are used to calculate the value of the selected cell. So, for instance, if we selected the cost per person and we then clicked Trace Precedence, it would show us that the total cost is used to calculate the cost per person, as well as the number of people. And if we click Trace Precedence once more, it will show us even further which cells were used to calculate this value. To remove these arrows, we simply go up to our formula auditing tools and select Remove Arrows. Next, we will discuss the Trace Dependence tool. This tool is used to show which cells are dependent on the selected cell. So, when we select Total Cost and we click Trace Dependence, it shows us that the cost per person is dependent on the total cost. And once again, to remove the arrows, we simply go up to the top and select Remove Arrows. Next, we have the Show Formulas tool. This will show the formula instead of the results which we normally see. So when we click that, we will then see the formula in the total cost area and the cost per person. These are the formulas that were used to calculate the results. To get back to just showing the results, we simply click the Show Formulas button again, and we're back to our normal view. Next, we've got our error checking. This is used to check for common errors that could occur in our formulas. So when we select error checking, in this specific spreadsheet there is no errors, but if there was, it would show our errors. And finally, we have our Evaluate Formula tool. This tool is used to debug the formula, and it will evaluate each part of the formula individually. So, for instance, if we selected the cost per person down here, and we selected Evaluate Formula, it will first show us the formula that was used to calculate, and it will then go step by step to show us the process. So when we click Evaluate, it inputs the first number, $1,096.55 from our total cost area up here. When we click Evaluate again, it shows us the number of people area, the division. When we click Evaluate again, it will show us the divided amount, and once more it will show us the final amount, which we see over to the left. And you can restart or simply close. And that's it for formula auditing. Thank you for listening.